6 weather is brought to you by Wilcox Furniture. Great furniture delivered fast and guaranteed low prices. Now, the most accurate forecast in South Texas with meteorologist Juan Acuna.
Hi everyone, this is a Wilcox Furniture forecast and we're starting off with our SPID Skycam looking off to the west as we have a gorgeous sunset taking place. Clear skies, just a couple of little clouds lingering across the region, but overall we've had a fantastic day today. Live look over at our Waves Resort 6 WeatherBug camera out at North Padre Island, and you can see some of those high clouds, and again, it's just spectacular out there. If you have evening plans, go right on ahead with them. It's pretty nice. You might need the light sweater though. We're holding on to 63 degrees right now, but that dew point still into the upper 30s. Very, very dry air continues to be in place, but our winds are starting to turn more easterly, but still relatively light at only 6 miles per hour. Our water temperature out at the Back Channel warmed up just a little bit, 63. That's the same temperature from Port Aransas down to the Naval Air Station. Got a couple of 66 from Rockport over to Beeville, but our friends down in the south in Falfurrias are still holding on to 70 degrees. But look at these dew point values into the middle to upper 20s for the inland areas. That's even off my chart here, so that is some super dry air that we have in place, but still into the upper 30s to lower 40s, still dry right near the coastline. Now, as we go through tonight and into tomorrow morning, notice we start to get a little bit more of those dew points back into the 50s, but still rather comfortable out there. And going into early Wednesday morning, we get some more dry air that starts to come in, courtesy of a high pressure push, not really a frontal boundary coming in, but that does keep those dew points relatively comfortable at least to the middle of the week. Those will start to rise as we go on into Thursday with some stronger southeasterly winds. Right now, the winds are all below 10 miles per hour, really light in nature. And even as we go through tonight, they're going to remain calm, but still hold on to that northeasterly component, only going to about 3 to 6 miles an hour. That will allow some good radiational cooling and another cold night to take place. And then tomorrow afternoon, the winds still light, but again, more of an east-southeasterly motion over the next 24 hours or so. Notice on Wednesday morning, we pick up that northerly wind. Again, that's high pressure coming in back into the area, not so much a cold front coming in. And then notice by the afternoon, they take more of an east-southeasterly turn at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Really not a whole lot to look at on the satellite and radar composite as we go throughout this evening. We're going to maintain mainly clear skies all the way to tomorrow morning, in fact into tomorrow afternoon as well, and we'll hold on to that Wednesday morning and even on into Wednesday afternoon. So lots of sunshine and clear skies on the way for us here. Again, here's the evening forecast. We're at 68 right now. By 10 o'clock, we'll look for the mid to lower 50s with those very light winds. So we'll bottom out at 42 here, but into the upper 40s to middle 50s out in Port Aransas, George West and up in the Three Rivers. You still have the opportunity again to fall into the upper 30s. So as we look at the day planner, another clear and cold morning. We'll be at 44 at 7 o'clock, 72 at noon, sunny and light winds, and 72 still very nice on into the afternoon. We'll look for an afternoon high right at about 75 here in the city, but middle to upper 70s inland, and just a tad bit cooler right near the coastline as well. Again, we have high pressure up to the north of us, so still relatively cool air in place. The next storm system that we're watching here is off to the coast of Florida. The last frontal boundary that came in is off along the east coast, causing lots of snowfall for those folks there, but high pressure into the upper levels is in control of our weather pattern, so we have all the cold air up to the north. As we track this next frontal boundary going into tomorrow and on into Wednesday and on into Thursday as well, we'll look for mainly sunny skies, more humid as well. But then on Friday, that's when our next frontal boundary comes in, and unfortunately, only just a few showers in the area. So our NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast, 42 and 75 for tomorrow, 77 on Wednesday, 80 on Thursday ahead of the front. And then on Friday, we start to cool down back into the low 50s on Saturday morning. And then we warm up again ahead of our next front that'll arrive Monday night.
All right.
Nice.
Sounds good.
It is.